More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by one important resource: water. And 95% of that is unexplored territory, leaving entire oceans of mystery before us. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. And now we're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone with the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. Introducing Dory. We successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want, so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. With screen sharing, live streaming, and co-pilot, friends and family can watch or help control your dive in real time on multiple wireless devices. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet, and with two built-in 250 lumen lights. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video, and its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.